People generally go to great lengths for a little bit of peace. You have to get out of the city, catch flights, book reservations and whatnot. But for some people, it can be as simple as getting in their car and going for a drive. Welcome everyone to another exciting episode of Auto Insight. Today we are diving into the world of luxury SUVs with the MG Gloster. Now the MG Gloster not only offers an exhilarating driving experience but also something much more valuable: peace of mind. Picture this, you're cruising down an open road with wide open highway and some tight turns and twisties thrown in. Well, with the MG Gloster, that dream can become a reality without a single worry occupying your mind. What makes the MG Gloster stand apart? Well, let's start with the interior first, which is a perfect blend of premium materials and cutting-edge technology. And this concoction makes the entire cabin feel more luxurious and inviting. But what really sets the MG Gloster apart is its commitment to ensure a worry-free ownership experience. Let's talk about maintenance. With MG's comprehensive plan, you can say goodbye to unexpected expenses for the first 3 years of 45,000 kilometers. You heard that right. That's zero expenditure on regular maintenance and wear and tear parts. It includes everything from periodic services to wiper blades, brake pads, engine belts. It's got everything covered. And that translates to much more fun than you usually do. Also, the MG Gloster is a zero-cost premium luxury SUV which offers you a lot more. So after 3 years, when it's time for a change, MG would offer you an assured buyback option for the Gloster. That makes the Gloster a smart investment for the future. At the end of the day, the MG Gloster isn't just a luxury SUV. It makes you some promises. The promises of a worry-free ownership experience, reliability, and most importantly, peace of mind. So if you are in the market for a luxury SUV which delivers on its promises, the MG Gloster definitely deserves your attention. So why settle for anything else when you can have peace of mind?